Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and my husband was in desperate need for breathable, comfortable pajama bottoms. These are the Tony and Candice men's pajama pants set. I personally loved how they arrived. It's just such a cute little gift package. The pattern and the colors are just exactly what my husband normally wears. They are so comfortable, easy to tie. The fabrics feel so nice, so lightweight, and the best part is 100% cotton. So they're extremely breathable and are not going to overheat. Everything on there is real. The button, the ties, they're not just for show. These are great for when he gets up in the morning, if he wants to cook breakfast, work in the kitchen, or get anything done. Relax on the couch, get some studying done, get work done because he works from home. Why not work comfortably? And of course, the main reason for sleeping. And that's my point of view.